Welcome to our quick guide on redeeming codes in Stumble Guys. Ready to elevate your game? Let's jump in. First, open Stumble Guys on your device. Make sure you're connected to the internet for smooth navigation. Next, locate the menu icon in the main screen. It's usually in the upper corner. Tap on it to proceed. Now, find the Redeem Code section in the menu. It's clearly labeled Easy to Spot. Enter your code carefully. Remember, it's case sensitive. Double check for accuracy before submission. Lastly, hit the submit button and watch your rewards fill your stash. Enjoy your game with new goodies. Don't forget to check for new codes regularly. The developers often release special offers. Share your codes with friends. Team play makes the game even more fun, and everyone wins. Always stay updated on social media for the latest tips and codes. Follow your favorite gaming channels. Thanks for watching. With these tips, you're ready to redeem codes and enjoy Stumble Guys like a pro. Subscribe for more tips and tricks to elevate your gaming. Happy stumbling! See you in the game. Let's conquer those challenges together.